to, just enjoy the game.
No, we just love having Coach Mac because he also, being a coach also, she adds to our, when we have questions, kung minsan nakakalimutan natin kung saan galing yung player, we ask her during the course. And she's just a cool, soothing voice dito, no? Yung nagkakagulo rito eh. Kahit naman nung high school kami, lahat nagkakagulo. She's always been calm. 1-1 tayo.
Good serve.
Kekiliana, Tan.
What a
Oh!
bomb! Perfect set there by Tan. But the challenge right now for Ateneo is how do you replace Adenden Lazaro?
Yun, ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. They're trying it. I know Ella De Jesus is going to try it as libero. She suited up as that, but I understand she also has an injury. But in the meantime, let's get focused on the present. Valdez scores. Second point by the captain. Boy, they just love her.
Yeah, doing what she does best, really, Eliza Valdez.
Nice set. Sorry, I missed this. That was a nice set.
It was a great set.
Rotation. Rotation, ano?
Oo.
Rotation. You have to, actually hindi pa umiikot eh. Kasi ang serve ng kay Giselle pa eh. Hindi pa